Students, in first period we discuss about international problems as a refugee, environment problem, and some human rights in India. Okay. Now in this period we are going to know about what is terrorism. That is the next problem as an international level. See, this is a major problem of our times. So several countries in the world are facing this problem. No nation is capable of countering terrorism entirely on its own. Hence, terrorism is considered to be a global problem. So that terrorism is found in the global level. So no single country can stop it. So it's considered as a global level problem. See, next. So what is terrorism? Terrorism is spreading terror a society by using threatening to use violence against common and innocent people for the achieving political goals. So what do you mean by here, student, that terrorism? So terrorism means to make fear in common people's mind. For what purpose? To achieve the political goals. That is known as the terrorism. So terrorism is organized and planned violence. So how it is? The nature of terrorism, it's pre-planned. So that bomb attack, firing attack. So it's a pre-planned. It's a determined. It's a organized activities. Terrorism has made a deep and long-term impact on international politics. So its impact not only in a particular country, but its impact is on international politics also. In the last 2 decades, terrorist conflict appears to have intensified in different countries. Terrorist conflict is different from traditional war. So that traditional war is different from the terrorism for the terrorist. So what do you mean by here traditional war? So traditional war is a conflict between 2 or more sovereign states. So that is the conflict between 2 or more states. For what purpose? For the geographical boundaries. Okay. So in such wars, the geographical boundaries between nations acquire importance. So in that traditional war, the importance given to the geographical boundaries. And on that, there is a dispute and there is a war. But terrorist is different from this. See, on the other hand, in the case of terrorism, terrorist groups can cause violence in any part of the world, from anywhere in the world. So from anywhere, from any part of the world, they can attack, they do such a kind of terrorist activities. It's totally not based on the geographical way like this traditional war. Now see, this means that due to increasing terrorism, the internal security of the country is threatened in addition to its external security. So that internal security is threatened by that terrorist. Means fear is created from them. In order to curb terrorism, it is imperative that the security mechanism of different nations should work in a concerted manner. So for that purpose, to avoid such kind of terrorist activities, each country should have work regarding their security purpose as a concerned manner. Now see, so this is one of the greatest problem of as an international level, and that is terrorism. Now see, next problem, students, the problem of the refugees. What do you mean by refugees? So those people who live in tent on the border of 2 countries or more countries, they don't have the citizenship of that particular country. Forcefully they forcefully state they have to leave the country. So see, people who have to leave their motherland against their wishes or are forced to go to other nations seeking refuge or for security are called as a refugee. So people became refugee due to the torture or for belonging to particular race. So why they are not refugee? because of they are tortured, and now by particular race or religion due to war or disaster. So because of this reason, maybe for the disaster or maybe the war, in such a situation people are forced to leave their own country and seek shelter in another country. So what happened in that situation? The people are told they have to leave their own country and take shelter to another country. Before the Second World War, okay, so before the Second World War, the Jews were tortured in Germany. So that Jew people, they were tortured in Germany before Second World War. Okay, now their citizenship and property was confiscated. Due to this, the Jews became refugees. Their property, everything was taken. They became refugee. Then see, so in 1971, the people in East Pakistan turned refugee and came to India seeking refuge due to the political and religious problem. In the last few years, due to the war-like situation in Iraq and Syria, a lot of people are leaving Syria as refugees. So people from East Pakistan, from Syria, so they are living life as a refugee. We can see many such examples of refugees. So we have such a many examples of many people who they are living as a refugee life because of the dispute of these two states or two countries. When people of any country are forced to leave their own country as a refugee, they have to face many problems. So those countries, they said, they forced that people, they have to leave refugees. So this refugee, they face many problems. The most important problem is to decide where to go, and with that nation give shelter, or the shelter will give shelter, or where to stay. That was their big problem. And will that nation give the shelter? These are the questions that they face. Secondly, they have to also take along with them other members of their family. It involves a lot of physical and from the problems caused by natural elements, heat, rain, storms, as well as shortage of food. So this is such a problem they can face because they live in tent. They don't have the permanent houses. So that's why that natural calamity, suppose heat and that storm, that heavy rain, they bear this. So they can't bear this. So such a problem they face. In the process, many people lost their lives. So in that process, many people they their lives. Once the refugee reach a safe place, they have new challenge. Though they reach suppose new place, but they have to challenge many problems. They need to find work or place to live and other problems of a day-to-day nature. If the language and culture in the other nation are different, then adjusting to their poses difficulties to their work, their difficulties. They have to manage on a different places. There is no assurance that the people in the nation which gives shelter to these refugees will accept them. So those countries they give shelter them, but it's not confirmed they will give them shelter or they will give them citizenship. So that is also the problem. On the contrary, as the number of refugees increase, the strain of the economy of the host nation increase. A shortage of essential goods is created. A shortage of essential goods is created. There may be an increase in crime or even inflation. So if they do not get work, so there may be starting of crime. There may be increase in a crime. So the local may lose their jobs. The problem of law.